लाइफ में आपने बहुत सारी रैग्स टू रिचेस की कहानी सुनी होगी। एक से बढ़कर एक कमाल के लोग हैं हमारी कंट्री में, पूरे वर्ल्ड में यार। कहते ना शाहरुख खान ने कहा था जो कुछ नहीं करते हैं वो कमाल करते हैं, ऐसे उनके फादर साहब कहा करते थे। तो आज के मेहमान के साथ भी कुछ ऐसे ही है। इन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया, कमाल किया, मेहनत किया। प्लम्बर थे ये, वहां से लेकर इन्होंने इतनी जबरदस्त अपनी जर्नी आगे बनाई कि क्या ना क्या हासिल किया। शुरुआत करते हैं शेर दिल की।
शेर दिल विद स्मृति।
आज के हमारे मेहमान का नाम है सुंदर सुब्रमणी, जिनको आप जानते हैं एज सुंदर यात्रा। साउथ इंडिया के रहने वाले सुंदर की जिंदगी की कहानी वाकई दिलचस्प है। जब मैंने इनसे बातें करी तो समझ में आया दिस बॉय इज ऑल हार्ट। इनका दिल बात करता है, ये नहीं। तो सुंदर, स्वागत करती हूँ शेर दिल पर। बॉय, टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ। वेयर डू यू लिव, व्हाट्स योर एज, घर में आपके कौन कौन है और एट प्रेजेंट तुम क्या करते हो?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for this opportunity. This is my first time. I'm Sundar. I'm 30 years old. Currently, I'm living in Bangalore, but my native is in Tamil Nadu, a place called Saudegopam village, which is really remote, surrounded by mountains, filled with casteism and racism. In my home, we are 6 people, mom and dad, and I have 3 sisters. They are elder. I am the youngest one. I'm the last one. The first sister is widow, and the second 2 sisters got married and they settled in my village itself. Recently I was working in Decathlon. I just quit a month ago because I really want to start my dream life.
I hope all your dreams are fulfilled, yeah. Okay, let's go back in time. Let's talk about the days when you were in school. और उसके बाद what was the first job? What went wrong? Would you like to talk about it?
Yeah, that after my college, I went to try the police examination, where the 10th standard education also enough to get a government job. So I went and tried, and I got passed. I was in merit, but again I fall in love, and I lost my focus. That day I had an accident in 2012 December. So that accident made me to unfit for the police examination, so I got failed in medical checkup. So my family got angry and started scolding, and it was very hard and tough day. I couldn't focus on me and myself. I lost my mind and went to too much depression, and then it's generated to the bipolar disorder, which I also had in my very young age, around 10 to 11. So it started again, and I went into multiple personality, and I have changed up. I've tried myself quitting so many times. I run naked in the village around. I have done so many strange things. It was so hard and tough, and I couldn't even recall myself, recognize my mom and dad. I tried to kill them as well as I broken my mom's hair, and I literally hurt my dad and my sisters also. So I was totally out of mind. So was it all, still they have tried. My family has really helped me to get out of it, and they put on all the medication and other religion formalities and everything, but it didn't help me, and somewhere I totally lost myself with so many tablets. So one fine day, I say it's a fine day because we couldn't offer the medication to continue, and in that week particularly I stopped the tablets and I started recalling. I started watching so many movies and so many goosebump things around. I started reading so many books of adventures. It is something around 2014 that I really recalled myself, and then I wanted to visit Kashi. So I went to Kashi. While going in Kashi, I got so many good things. I met some strangers. They took me their home. I stayed for 15 days. I really had a good times, and then come back. I visited so many things. I got really blessed. I really seen incredible things in Varanasi. It's out of the words and out of the human lives. So I was so blessed, and then the magic happens, and I'm back to myself. After that, I didn't continue my tablets, and then I went back to work to travel again.
So proud of you that you actually came out of the tough times. And now you're strong, you're smiling, you're talking to us. So proud to have you on Sher Dil. Buddy, now let's talk about the cycle journey. I think you've covered almost entire country, if I'm not wrong. Or kuch bacha hai abhi. Let's talk about those journeys and how was the experience?
Yeah, that was an amazing experience that I ever had. So before starting the cycle journey, I tried myself to check how far I can go, how I can do it. So I cycled to Pondicherry, which is near to my home. It's around 500 kilometer for up and down. So I did it for 5 days trip to Pondicherry. I understand my stamina and strength and how I can stay with tent in my native side. So that's all I learned. And then I went to Goa for 10 days trip. So it's just like a per day 100 kilometer. I just cruised all those roads and enjoyed that beauty of Karnataka. Managed to stay in tents, even in a rain also. So that was really wonderful experience. Also managed some Western Ghat terrains with my cycle, because my cycle is BSA Diana. It's a 30 years old single gear cycle. It's called drum brake. So there are so many difference between the model cycles and the old cycles. I studied well, and then in 2019 November 2nd I started my journey in the morning of 5 o'clock. You know what, like I woke up in the morning, I just touched my mom foot that I said like I'm leaving. I'm leaving for a long journey. I really want to find myself. That's how I started. And then I started from my home to Kerala, and then Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and then Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, Chandigarh, Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, and then Himachal, and then Nepal, that 4 or 5 states. I entered from Mahakal, and then I went to Pokhara, and then Kathmandu, and then I exit from Siliguri side, and then Darjeeling and Sikkim, and then Assam, Nagaland, and then Manipur. I stopped at Manipur. The first lockdown started in the 2020 March. So from the Moreh I stopped and I returned by flight. One of my followers from London, she helped me to get that happen. She booked the ticket and I returned home. So the first lockdown, it stopped everything.
But the lockdown couldn't stop you, because you did a lot after that also. Let's talk about your cycling journey and how did you get through the great Indian initiative of Amrit Mahotsav. You got to ride for India, for our country, and you met lots of amazing people who helped you throughout the journey. Let's talk about them.
After returning from the All India's Four Corner cycling, I came home and the entire world stuck with the first lockdown for 3 years. So while returning from Moreh, Manipur border, I booked my cycle in Dimapur railway station to my home, but I didn't get the cycle, I lost. And another depression for another reason, I got stuck again. I started doing the plumbing work back because I thought I'll become something, I'll travel the world in my cycle, but life totally changed. It changed to everyone, that lockdown. It's so sad and so cruel. While working in plumbing, I got somewhere in 2020 December, I got a call that says that you have selected for this ride, which is going to celebrate that 75th Independence Day, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in name. It's called Freedom Motor Ride. So we'll be riding around the India and 6 country borders. We'll be selecting 75 riders for 75 days of ride to celebrate this amazing journey. So that was the theme, and they said it's completely sponsored. All you have to do is get your bike and take the permission from your family and submit the documents which is necessary. So this is all we did, and it's a wonderful journey crossing the nation and riding for the nation. A plumber, a labor guy from remote village, an uneducated guy. All it went, I just, pledged to my state. I only the guy who represented my Tamil Nadu state, and other riders are from other different states. So it's like a big honor and big, dream comes true things. I bought my bike in 2017 after watching Motorcycle Diary movie. I really want to do the, All India bike ride, at least if I can. I bought the bike and stuck in EMIs and the family situation, and again I kept walking. So in the meanwhile, I found myself to cycle across because still I can do without spending fuel and other things. So I learned the things, and then I did so far, and I got a chance to ride for the nation. That was an amazing journey. I got a chance to ride the same route which I rode in my cycle. I met the same people. I went to greet and meet them, and I thanked them, and I said that I am really doing well.
Being thankful is such a nice gesture. So proud of you, Sundar, once again. I mean, guys, जब भी अपने life में हम complain करते हैं, let's think about people like Sundar. From being a plumber to being a successful rider, and he's still not stopped dreaming. Really inspires me too, Sundar. अपनी यात्रा कंटिन्यू रखो और आपके साथ अगली यात्रा ऑफ शेर दिल पे होगी मुलाकात।